Hey everyone, glad to have you back. Today, we're shining the spotlight on Milwaukee Tool, and not just the products you've already seen everywhere. We went through their latest lineup and picked out 10 tools that truly deserve your attention. These are the innovations quietly reshaping how professionals get the job done every day. Whether you're a seasoned tradesperson or a dedicated DIYer, stick with us, because a few of these could easily become your new go-to favorites. Let's jump right in. A clean job site is a safe, efficient job site, and the Milwaukee M18 brushless handheld vacuum makes keeping things tidy genuinely quick and easy. Powered by the M18 red lithium battery platform and driven by a brushless motor, this unit delivers the highest sustained airflow in its class. The real engineering standout is the integrated debris separator, which routes larger particles away from the filter before they can clog it, meaning consistent suction from the first pass to the last. A flexible hose, crevice tool, and multiple floor nozzles give you coverage across all kinds of surfaces and tight spaces. An onboard LED light illuminates dark areas like electrical panels or vehicle interiors, and the easy empty debris canister makes cleanup after cleanup fast and painless. If you're using battery-powered tools all day anyway, adding this to your M18 system is a total no-brainer. Ground rod installation has traditionally meant overhead work, ladders, and a fair amount of risk. Milwaukee's SDS Max side-load ground rod driver changes all of that. The offset design allows you to load the rod from the side rather than overhead, keeping your feet on the ground and dramatically cutting down on job site hazards. And despite that safer loading position, you're not sacrificing depth. The top load cup drives the rod all the way to finish depth every time. A tapered bearing design locks onto the rod securely without gouging it or damaging it. It works with 1/2 inch, 5/8 inch, and 3/4 inch copper-cladded, galvanized, and stainless steel rods, and is recommended for use with the Milwaukee MX Fuel 27-pound demolition hammer, though it's also compatible with other SDS Max rotary hammers in hammer-only mode. Backed by a 2-year limited warranty, this one's built to handle the tough stuff. Plumbing diagnostics used to mean expensive equipment, awkward setups, and a lot of wasted time. The Milwaukee M12 75-foot Drain Camera changes the game entirely for facility maintenance professionals. A robust 75-foot flexible cable paired with an 18mm HD camera gives you crystal clear views inside 1.5-inch to 4-inch lines. The enclosed drum design keeps the cable contained and your vehicle clean during transport. It also integrates seamlessly with Milwaukee's pack-out modular storage system for easy organization and portability, and runs on the M12 battery platform you likely already own. First up, let's talk about demolition. Specifically, let's talk about what happens when your blade hits a nail and gives up the ghost way too early. Milwaukee's 6-inch 5 TPI AX SAWZALL blade with NITRUS carbide teeth was built to solve exactly that problem. This thing delivers up to twice the lifespan of standard carbide blades, which means you're spending less time swapping blades and more time actually working. The aggressive 5 TPI tooth design tears through wood fast, and the nail guard technology protects the teeth when you hit fasteners, so the nail loses, not your blade. The fang tip design also makes plunge cuts into nail-embedded wood quicker and cleaner than ever before. Available in multiple lengths and pack sizes, this blade is a no-brainer for any residential demo or remodeling work. Safety gear has come a long way, and the Bolt personal voltage detector is proof of that. This compact device is engineered to deliver the most consistent voltage alerts and the simplest operation you'll find anywhere in its class. The wide detection field means you're covered in more situations, and the clear alert system, both audible tones and visual lights, make sure you never miss a warning. One of the smartest design choices here is the single-mode operation, which removes the possibility of sensitivity setting errors entirely. No guessing, no misconfiguration, just reliable protection every time you clip it on. It charges via USB-C and runs up to 32 hours on a single charge. It mounts directly to Milwaukee Bolt helmets and hard hats, detects voltages from 2.4 kV to 500 kV and pairs with other bolt accessories for a fully integrated safety setup. Electricians, this one's for you. The Milwaukee 8 to 20 AWG dipped grip wire stripper and cutter is all about precision, comfort, and longevity. Precision ground stripping holes give you clean, accurate strips on 8 to 18 AWG solid wire and 10 to 20 AWG stranded wire every single time. The V-shaped cutting blades do a fantastic job on copper wire and larger NM sheathed cable, trapping and securing the material for a controlled, clean cut. You also get bolt shears for 632 and 832 bolts, plus wire looping holes for added versatility. The spring-loaded mechanism keeps the tool open and ready, while the swing lock keeps it closed and safe during storage. This stripper is proudly manufactured in the USA from USA-sourced materials and comes with a lifetime guarantee. So once you buy it, you're done buying wire strippers. Hand protection on the job site is a balance. Too much protection and you lose dexterity, too little and you're at risk. Milwaukee's Cut Level 6 high-dexterity nitrile dipped gloves with wear defense protection nail that balance better than anything else in their class. The 18-gauge cordless knit keeps the glove lightweight and breathable while giving your fingers the freedom to move naturally and grip confidently. Milwaukee's proprietary wear defense coating reinforces the areas that take the hardest beating, extending the life of the glove well beyond what standard options can offer. Engineered to outlast every competitor in the 18-gauge cut glove category, these are built for professionals who need reliable protection through long, demanding shifts without ever feeling like their hands are working against them. Precision work demands precise tools, and Milwaukee's Click Torque wrenches deliver exactly that. These wrenches are engineered for professionals who can't afford mistakes when torque specifications matter. The laser-etched, high-contrast white-on-black markings are one of the most practical features here. They're sharp, clear, readable in low light, immune to fading, and easy to wipe clean no matter what chemicals or grime they encounter. Available in 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drive sizes, including extended lengths for deep or hard-to-reach fasteners, these wrenches cover a wide range of applications. When you hit your target torque, you get both a strong audible click and a physical breakaway feel, a dual confirmation that takes the guesswork out of the equation. That means no over-tightening, no stripped fasteners, and real confidence in every connection you make. When winter hits hard, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 21-inch Snow Blower is the tool that makes it manageable. Powered by dual M18 batteries and equipped with Power State brushless motor and RedLink Plus intelligence, this machine is positioned as the most powerful cordless single-stage snowblower on the market right now. It chews through up to 8 inches of heavy wet snow without bogging down or clogging, and the push-button start means you're up and running instantly. No pull cords, no cold weather frustrations. LED headlights keep your path lit during pre-dawn or late-night clearing sessions, and the variable speed auger gives you control over pace and throwing distance based on conditions. The auger-assisted drive pulls the unit forward, reducing the physical effort on long driveways. For anyone already running Milwaukee M18 tools, this is a seamless, zero-emissions, low-maintenance addition that makes gas blowers feel like a thing of the past. Tight spaces and press fitting have always been a frustrating combination. Until now, the Milwaukee M12 Force Logic Press Toolkit with one key holds the title of the smallest press tool currently on the market, and that compact form factor makes a real difference in the field. The one-handed inline design lets you get into spots where bulkier tools simply can't go, and the auto cycle function ensures every press is a complete, full press, confirmed by a visual indicator light that also alerts you when calibration is due. Maintenance intervals are impressively long at 37,000 press cycles, keeping downtime to a minimum on busy job sites. It's compatible with all major fitting brands when paired with Milwaukee press jaws, and the one-key integration logs timestamp data for streamlined reporting and quality assurance. Running on M12 red lithium batteries, it fits right into your existing system. And after all, more tools always means more profit, right?
And that's our rundown of 10 Milwaukee tools that are truly making a difference in the trades. From safety equipment, to power tools, to winter gear, Milwaukee clearly isn't slowing down anytime soon. Which one caught your eye the most? Leave a comment below and let us know. We read each and every one. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more detailed tool coverage, and turn on notifications so you're always first to see our latest breakdowns. See you in the next one.